How to trade channel pattern. This is what we are going to discuss today in the episode 6 of Simplified Trading Strategies from Market Secrets. Channel is a powerful yet often overlooked chart pattern and combines several forms of technical analysis to provide traders with potential points for entering and exiting trades as well as controlling risk. The first step is to learn how to identify channels. The next step includes determining where and when to enter a trade, where to place stop loss orders, and where to take profits. There are different parts to a channel pattern. A channel occurs when a price of an asset is moving between two parallel trend lines, that is, an upper trend line and a lower trend line. Let's discuss about this in detail with an example. Here is an example of a channel setup. It has an upper trend line and it has a lower trend line. The upper trend line connects the swing highs in the price. If price breaks out of a trading channel to the upside, the move could indicate that the price will rally further. And when it comes to lower trend line, the lower trend line connects swing lows in the price. If the price breaks below the bottom of the channel, the dip indicates that more selling could be on the way. The channels can slant upward or downward or sideways on the chart. So this is an upward channel, but we can have a downward channel or a horizontal or a sideways channel. All three types of channels are possible. A channel consists of at least four contact points because we need at least two lows to connect each other and two highs to connect each other. So if you look at here, these 4 points are the basic building blocks of this particular channel. And when it comes to types of channel, there are three types of channel. Number one, channels that are angled up. These are called ascending channels. This is exactly what we are using in our example. Likewise, there are channels that are angled downwards. These are descending channels. Ascending channels and descending channels are also called trend channels because the price is moving dominantly in one direction. And there is third type of channel which is called a horizontal channel. So these are the channels in which trend lines are horizontal. So this type of channel is called horizontal channel or a rectangular trading range. So we have already seen a triangle pattern. Now is time for a rectangle. So going back to our example, when do we buy or sell using the chart pattern? So if you look at this chart pattern, like we discussed earlier, these four are the building blocks of the channel. So once these 4 points are formed, we will draw the upper trend line and lower trend line and we will get a channel. So once the channel is formed, when the price hits the top of the channel, you can sell your existing long position and you can take a short position. And when price hits the bottom of the channel, you can cover your existing short positions and you can take a fresh long position. So if you look at here, you can take a long position here and you can exit here. And you can take a fresh short position here and you can exit it here. And when the price is in middle of the channel, don't do anything. Just hold your existing trades. There are actually two exceptions to these rules. If the price breaks through the top or bottom of the channel, then the channel is no longer intact. So do not initiate any more trades using this channel setup until a new channel is developed. Secondly, if the price drifts between these channels for a prolonged period of time, a new narrower channel may be established. At this point, you can enter or exit near the extremes of the narrower channel. So you might be able to draw another channel within this channel and you can trade on it as well. This comment is applicable only if you are trading higher time frames, say daily or weekly. Likewise, to avoid whipsaws, you can follow this approach. During a rising channel, focus on buying near the bottom of the channel and exiting near the top. Be wary of shorting since the trend is up. So this is a rising channel or an ascending channel. So in this type of channel, focus on buying near the lower trend line and selling near the upper trend line. Avoid taking short trades in this kind of setup. And during the descending channel, focus on shorting near the top of the channel and exiting near the bottom. So in this case, be wary of initiating longs in the falling channel since the trend is down. And when it comes to the significance of volume, volume is often lower in the channels, especially near the middle of the channel. Breakouts are often associated with the high volume. If the volume isn't rising on a breakout, there is a greater likelihood that the channel will continue. So whenever price hits these trend lines, look at the volume. The volume is low, it indicates the channel will continue, so you can take a trade. If the volumes are high, then there is a high chance of a breakout, so you should avoid trading on these channels. And when it comes to stop loss and targets, channels will provide a built-in money management capabilities in the form of stop loss and targets. If you have bought at the bottom of the channel, you can exit and take your profits at the top of the channel. Also, set up the stop loss slightly below the bottom of the channel, allowing room for regular volatility. And if you have taken a short position at the top of the channel, you can exit and take profit at the bottom of the channel. In this case also, you can set up a stop loss order slightly above the top of the channel, allowing room for regular volatility. So this is how you should be trading the channel pattern. If you have any queries on trading the channel pattern, feel free to ask in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer it. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.